Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First of all, we at Prudent Media wish all the fathers a very happy Father's Day. And now a look at the top stories. BJP gearing up for 2012 Assembly elections, criticizes government for failure on political and economic front. Travel and Tourism Association criticizes government for lack of planning and execution. President Gaurish Dond says tourism should be government's priority. North Goa taxi owners demand pension plan for taxi drivers. Association says don't scrap permits for 800cc vehicles. Reach Builders Badminton Tournament comes to an end. Chinmay Kamath and Anushka Kuvelkar win 3 titles each. And Nokia Indoor Football Fever generates good response. 32 corporate teams fighting for top honours. And now the news in detail. BJP is pulling up its sleeves for the 2012 Assembly polls. BJP Executive Committee solemnly vowed and directed party workers to pull up the sleeves for the forthcoming Assembly elections. The Executive Committee of BJP has severely criticized the government for its failure on political and economic front.
BJP had a meeting of its newly elected State Executive Committee. Committee discussed over the warming up program for the next Assembly elections in 2012. Committee scrutinized different issues to bring shivers down the spine of the government in the upcoming Assembly session. All the members and BJP MLAs were present for the meet. Congress party has already started gearing up for the 2012 State Assembly elections. BJP on the other side directed party workers to pull up their sleeves for the 2012 Assembly elections. BJP is getting all set to win the general polls.
2012 ची विधानसभा निवडणूक जाल्ली जाल्यार साधारण 2.5 वर्षां आसात. ह्या 2.5 वर्षांत पक्षाचो रोड मॅप कितें आसचो हाचेर एक सविस्तर चर्चा आज स्टेट एक्झिक्युटिव्हान चालू आसा. एक फुडल्या 15 दिसान एक फुडल्या काळा खातीर रोड मॅप ठरतलो जेतूनसून पक्ष जास्तीत जास्त जनते पर्यंत पावून जास्तीत जास्त समर्थन वाढवण्याच्या दृष्टीन संघटनेचे विस्तार करण्याच्या दृष्टीन प्रयत्न करतलो.
Monsoon session is due to start on July 19th. BJP has detailed to corner the government on issues like drug nexus and excise scam, illegal mining and many more issues. Party also criticized government for its failure on the political and economic front. BJP alleged that the state has been burdened with the loan of 7,000 crore rupees and still wasteful expenditure is on the rise.
फाटले अधिवेशन जाल्ले 3 दिसांचे हे 3 आठवड्याचे आसा. 3 दिसांनूच सरकार कितले बदनाम जाल्ले आनी सरकाराक आमी कितले उगडे पाडलेले हे सगळे जाण तुम्ही साक्षीदार आसात. हे फावटी 15 दिसांचे अधिवेशन आसा. तातून जास्त प्रश्न येतले आणि त्यामुळे जास्त प्रश्ना बरोबर तसेच प्रोपोर्शनेटली जास्त प्रश्न चर्चेक येतले. नाउ दॅट करप्शन इन्क्लूड्स वर्क ऑर्डर्स इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ डिफरंट PWD वर्क्स, वेरियस जॉब्स, excise scheme which was discussed in detail on the floor of the house. For any political party, election is ultimum, that is one thing, but even prior to that there has to be some check over these people.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
TTAG has said government lacks planning and immediate execution of decisions in the tourism sector. The newly sworn-in president of Travel and Tourism Association, Gaurish Dond, has emphasized on building a proper and adequate infrastructure to promote Goa's tourism. He says state government should be serious and consider tourism on priority basis.
हे सगळे जाण आसतले गोंयचे भाव भयण सगळी जाण आसतले बाबा हो खातो जो असल्या मंत्र्या कडेन गेल्लो की थंय कोण ट्युरिजमान अशी म्हणजे डायरेक्टर सुद्दां तांकां वाज येतालो काम करपाक म्हणजे कसलीच पॉलिसी फुडें वचनाशिल्ली. आनी इट हॅज टू कम फ्रॉम द टॉप नॉट फ्रॉम डावन टू अप. वयल्यान जरी मंत्री समज कडक आसलो जाल्यार DIG सारको कडक रावतलो. DIG नंतर सुपरसर्कल IG, and it has to come from top. सगळेच करप्ट जावंक लागले जाल्यार
मागीर कांय पर्यायच
पर्याय ना.
डू यू थिंक मिनिस्ट्री इज फेलिंग ऑन दीस फ्रंट्स ऑफ प्रमोटिंग गोवा इन अ प्रॉपर वे?
तुमकां सांगत जाल्यार तुमी हांसतले.
रिसेंट ज्यो 2-3 घडणुको जाल्यो ज्यो तुमी मेन्शन केल्यो तांकां लागून खंय तरी फॉरेन टुरिस्टांच्या अरायवलाचेर फरक पडला.
आमचे जवळ जवळ 25 लाख लोकांतल्यान जवळ जवळ 2.5 लाख लोक फॉरेनर जाल्ले आहा. सगळ्या जगार चालू आसा. ड्रग म्हणटा तो खंय गोंयानूच मेळटा किंवा आनी खंय मेळटा अशें ना, खंय वच जगार मेळटा.
टुरिझम मिनिस्टरी नवो आसा आनी अध्यक्षय नवो जाला. तुमचे टॉप प्रायोरिटीज कळ्यो. वॉट आर द टॉप प्रायोरिटीज यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग की प्रायोरिटीचेर घेवच्यो टुरिझम मिनिस्टर?
For a detailed interview, watch Head on Monday at 7:30 p.m. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
North Goa taxi owners have unanimously demanded that the government should not scrap the permits for 800cc vehicles. The association will ask the government to start a pension plan for the taxi drivers.
North Goa taxi owners held a meet on Sunday at Harmal to discuss the grievances faced by the drivers. They said government should not increase the permit fee. They also mentioned that government should not scrap the permit for 800cc vehicles.
सगळ्यांत व्हडली मागणी आसा ती 800cc गाडीचे ते परमीट स्क्रॅप करूंक सोदता गव्हर्मेंट. ते करचे न्हू. जशेंच परमिटाची फी जी वाडयल्ली आसा 150 रुपया वयरसान 2000 रुपया, तशेंच 200 रुपया वयरसान 5000 रुपया, ती तेंच्यांनी 16 पटींनी वाडयल्ली आसा. ती फक्त 2 पटींनी वाडोवची आनी सगळ्या ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी ओनरांचो दुवा घेवचो अशी माझी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागणी आसा.
Association would be asking the government to start a pension plan for the taxi drivers.
सिस्टमॅटीक जे ओनर आसात तेंच्या कडसून आमी अशी मागणी घेवन वयतले की तुमी थोडे पयशे कट करून तेंच्या इन्कमांतले जेन्ना जे 60 वर्सांचे जातले आनी ते आमकां बरोवन दितले ते ओनर की हेच्या फुडें म्हाजे कडेन काम करूंक जायना तेन्ना आपणाक पेन्शन लागू करचें आनी हो पेन्शन प्लॅन गव्हर्मेंटान सगळ्या ह्या संघटनेच्या मेंबरांक पास करून दिवचो आनी ही सगळ्यांक व्हडली आमची मागणी.
A reporter in Harmal, Vinod Methar.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.